Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. In this video, I will show you how to turn off location on Instagram Android. And here's how it's done. Open the app, go to your profile, tap the three bars, and open Settings and Activity. Under your app and media, select Device Permissions, Location Services, Update Device Settings. Open Device Settings. In your phone's location settings, set Instagram's location access to Do Not Allow. And that's it. Now you know how to turn off location on Instagram for Android. Quick, simple, and perfect for keeping your privacy secure. With just a few taps in your settings, you can post, share, and scroll without worrying about location tracking. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more smart tech tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. We hope to see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.